So today we're making bean and ham soup. It's 1 pound dry Great Northern beans if you want to soak them overnight, but if you want to do it faster, you can just get 2 cans of beans. And I'm using the cannelli beans because I couldn't find Great Northern. And the only difference really is that the cannelli beans are going to hold their shape and be a little bit more firm. So it's going to be more of a broth soup than a thick soup. 8 cups of water, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 ham hock, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1/2 stalk celery chopped, 1 cup chopped onions, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 2 bay leaves, 2 cups chopped ham, and 1/2 teaspoon ground white pepper. If you're going to soak the beans, they have to be sorted out and drained the next day to make sure any discolored ones are gone. In a large pot over high heat, bring the water to a boil. Add the salt and the beans and remove from the heat. Let the beans sit in the hot water for at least an hour. Or, like I do, use the canned beans to skip all of that. Return the pot to high heat. Place the ham bone, carrots, celery, onion, garlic, mustard, and bay leaves in the pot. Stir it well. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1 hour. Not pepper, not yet. That comes at the end. Put it back. I should have waited to put the chopped ham in until later, after the 60 minutes was up, because what happens is if you put the ham in too soon, it can suck the flavor out of the meat. I mean, it'll still be in the soup pot, but it won't be in the meat. So an hour later, that's when the chopped ham should have gone in. Then you season it with the white pepper to taste. If you're using the canned beans, you only need to simmer for 15 minutes instead of 30 minutes, just to warm everything up good.